yan, another. Medyo I feel unfair for her, pero ano mo mararamdaman? It's part of the business eh. Diba? Minsan nga, mas marami pang alam ang mga tao kaysa sa amin. Minsan kahit siya ha, nakita ko sa Gitogara, she's never been to that place. So it's just like that. But it's part of the business. That's why I told her she's a good daughter. Ako lang pwede magsabi kung hindi siya nakuha.
May mga times ba na tinatanong mo siya tungkol sa mga
Ano, I know everything. So I don't have to ask her. She tells me everything. I know everywhere she goes. And she really doesn't have time
Pero sa ngayon,
to go dating.
pero sa'yo kung okay lang sa'yo na may mga professional niya, Singapore, nag-ibig na siya.
Oo naman. I don't wanna be a corny mom. Pag pinigilan ko, baka hindi na magkwento ang mga anak ko.
Pero Miss March, did you ask her nung lumabas yung sila ni James?
No, I didn't have to ask her because I'm aware of everything.
Kinukwento niya na sa'yo.
I know naman what's happening in her life. So, but so tapos na naman yung issue. I don't wanna relive that. That's